Hey guys, so as you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you some of my new favorite like home goods type of products that I bought for our new place. I can't show you everything because some of it's like furniture and just like too big. So I will do a house tour once I feel like our house is ready to show. We still have quite a few projects that I want to do before I do that. So before that, I'm just going to show you some of the things that I bought online recently that I am loving for our new place. And yeah, let's just jump into it. I have kind of a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna kind of grab what's in front of me. And the first thing that I grabbed was this wooden hand. I have open shelving in my house and I was really excited about the open shelving, but it's actually really hard to decorate. So I've been kind of buying a few things that I want to like just add on to the shelf for a little styling and stuff. And I thought this was kind of cool. It's just a wooden hand that I got at IKEA, and you can adjust the fingers to do whatever you want. Right now I have kind of like a peace sign going on. David's changed it to the middle finger. You can really do whatever you want, but I thought it was just kind of cool. And I really like light wood right now. It's kind of, I'm trying to bring that into my house because we do have dark wood, but I also really like this lighter color. So I thought this was kind of fun. Okay, the next thing that I have is this really pretty throw blanket. I got this at Urban Outfitters. It has these huge tassels on the bottom, and this is kind of like the color scheme of my house. I'm just gonna do like kind of like taupey colors, white, very neutral colors. As you'll see by my color palette that I'm about to show you, it's not crazy. But yeah, I really like this. It's just a fun throw pillow that throw blanket that I'm gonna put in our dining room kind of area, and I just love it. Okay, then the next thing is two things actually. I got this cool glass globe type vase at TJ Maxx actually. I was so excited when I found this. It was really inexpensive and I thought it was really cool to put on my dining room table. And then I found these really fluffy, I honestly don't know what these are. It's like wheat or something. I have no idea, but I got these at Michael's. They're just dried, so you don't have to like put water, and they'll honestly last forever. But like I said, this is like my favorite color palette right now, so I got those, and these were also really inexpensive at Michael's. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna put on my dining room table, and I just love how like simple and open and fluffy and cute it is. Okay, next I'm gonna show you two of the pillows that I bought. I did buy more, but I just thought I didn't need to show you like 12 pillows right now. But these are my favorites. I just got this one from Target, and I don't know if you can see like the subtle kind of like rainbow pattern in this pillow, but I think it's really pretty and I like how simple it is. But if you like get up close, you can see the texture, and I just really love this pillow. So I got that at Target. Okay, and then the next pillow that I got is really long. As you can tell, it literally doesn't fit in the frame. But I got this at Target. We have a king size bed right now, and I wanted to get like a long pillow that kind of went across the entire bed. And they can be kind of expensive, but I got this one at Target and I think it was under $30, and it has fun tassels. And I just thought it was really fun. Next are just two bowls, really random, but I thought they were really cool, and I just got them at TJ Maxx. I really like the colors, obviously, and I think they're really cute on my open shelf, so I just kind of like stack them and then put them on top of a book or something, but I thought they were really cute, and obviously we will use those. All right, and then another thing for my open shelving, I did buy a lot for that just because it is like in the main room of our house and I wanted it to be really cute, so I just bought a lot of stuff for it. But I got this fake plant from Urban Outfitters. I really wanted like a droopy plant, or like one that hangs down like from the top shelf to the bottom shelf. I just think that's really cool, and I couldn't honestly find any real plants because I do love real plants, but I thought this was fun, and it actually looks pretty realistic, especially when it's up on the shelf. You can hardly tell it's fake. And you know what, it'll never die. So yeah, I think this is a good fake plant option if you guys are looking for one. I will obviously link as much as I can in the description box below. I did recently buy a lot of this stuff, so you should still be able to get anything that I'm showing you guys. And then this actually didn't come with the plant. I bought this at Target in the outdoor section. It's just like a ceramic pot, and I really liked the design on it and the colors, so I'm gonna put that on my shelf. Okay, so the next thing is this candle, which I love. I think it's Project 62 from Target. but I could be wrong. I don't really know. But I just love how simple it is. It's just like kind of a cream ceramic with a leather pole, and it smells amazing. I think there's 5 other scents and kind of shades for the outside of the candle. So if you guys need a simple candle, it's not too big, so it could be cute in a bathroom or whatever, but I'm gonna put it on my dining room table. So the next thing is just hand soap, which is really random, but I hate having ugly hand soap on my counter. I might be crazy, I don't really care, I just don't like what it looks like. So I found this really cute one at TJ Maxx, Home Goods. I've seen them at like all of those type of stores. They're glass and huge, so they'll last forever. I got one for oh, this is actually dish soap, but I got this for my kitchen, and then I bought hand soaps for both of my bathrooms, and I just really like what they look like, and they're pretty to sit on your counter instead of just like ugly plastic ones or whatever. So yeah, you can always refill these too. You don't have to like keep buying the same container. You can just get like soap to refill them if you are running out. Speaking of containers, I might honestly be crazy for this, but both of my showers are glass now, and I've never had that before where you can like see into the shower, and I can't really stand seeing like 12 different shampoo bottles that are all different and ugly. So I found this off of one of my favorite house bloggers. I will put where I bought all these from, but I got these really cool, they're plastic, so they're good for the shower, little like amber bottles. I bought a bunch of these for shampoo and conditioner, and then I bought a couple of these for body wash, so it's like a pump. I am gonna do a DIY with this, and I will post this on my channel, so you'll eventually see what I'm gonna do with this, but they just look so much prettier in the shower than the normal like shampoo bottles. So I bought a bunch of these for both of my showers, and I am super excited to do a little DIY with that. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. I will post it probably in the next few weeks. From the same store, I bought these little containers for spices because we have a ton of spices, and they're all different sizes, shapes, colors, and I am a total visual person, so I want them to all look the same. So I'm gonna do another DIY with this project, but I wanted to include it in here in case anybody's been wanting to do this to their spice cabinet. I love how simple they are, and yeah, I'll be doing a DIY with this as well, so stay tuned for that. Okay, last kind of boring item is this Lazy Susan. I bought this one at TJ Maxx, and I love it. I put all my oils in one of them, and it's just really nice in your cabinet because you can just kind of like spin it and see what you want. I'm gonna probably put this in my bathroom for like all my hair products, or in my like little craft area that I'm gonna do, but I want to buy like 100 of these because they are life-changing. So if you see these, go to TJ Maxx. I know the Container Store also sells them, but I'm pretty sure the one at TJ Maxx was a lot cheaper. So yeah, I really like this. And I did buy a ton of rugs from Urban Outfitters, but I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'm just obsessed with this one. I got this for my guest bathroom, and it's a little hand. It's just a little bath rug, and I'm really excited about it. I bought a ton of stuff off Urban Outfitters. I think they have such cool, unique stuff, and their rugs are actually pretty reasonable. So if you want some cool new rugs, look there. This is one I got. I got a few more, but I will show you guys those later. Another thing that I got from Urban Outfitters is this pot. I bought a lot more plants here, and I kind of have a problem, but this is my favorite pot that I bought. It's just kind of cream and white striped, but it's like really heavy and ceramic, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I got this at Urban Outfitters. Okay, and then the next two items are from H&M Home, which if you guys haven't looked at H&M, you need to. They have like the coolest stuff. I wanted to buy like 100 things, but I controlled myself and I only got a few things. But one of them was this little bag. Instead of a hamper in my guest bathroom, just because it's kind of a smaller bathroom, I wanted to buy this little bag. It says wash, and it has a strap that you can hang on the back of your door. So like when they're done using their towels or whatever, they can throw them in here, and then it's just clean, and they have a spot to put their used items. So I thought that was really cool, and I also just love the style of it. And then I got these fun towels for my bathroom. They are like a waffle towel with this like fringe at the bottom. They're gray and white, so I feel like they're very neutral, and I bought these for both of my bathrooms. So I think I bought 4 of them. They're really soft and I just love what they look like when they're hanging up. They're kind of towels that won't be used, but it's nice to just have obviously towels in your bathroom. So I bought 4 of them and I would honestly buy a ton more. I really, really like them. Okay, and then this is a cheese board, serving board, whatever you want to do with it kind of board, but also beautiful. I'm going to put this on my open shelves and just kind of have it out almost as art. I think it is so pretty and I love it. I also, like I said, I'm trying to bring in this light wood, so I think it's just perfect to have out. Yeah, you can put like cheese, bread, whatever. I love hosting little parties like that, so I will definitely be using this, but also be using it as art in my house. It is by Hay, which is a pretty popular designer. I will try to find it online and link it, but I just think it's cool. I love this like rainbow shape that is very popular right now. But yeah, so excited about this. David surprised me with it and I was way too excited about a cheese board. Okay, and the last thing are frames. I got these light colored frames from IKEA. Same thing, like I want to bring this light wood in and I thought these were perfect. So I bought 3 of these that I'm gonna hang going down my hallway and just put prints from our wedding in them, I think. And I just love them. Like I said, I love how clean and light the light wood looks. So I bought these. They're from IKEA, really, really reasonably priced and I love them. Okay, so I think that is where I'm gonna stop. I feel like I could show you guys so much more, but I'm just gonna stop right here. I'm definitely gonna be filming a bunch of videos, obviously related around my new house because I love decorating. It's honestly like one of my favorite things. I'm gonna show some ways to do DIY art, which is super easy and inexpensive because I know art can be so expensive, but I think art honestly can make a house really personalized and cool, and I just want to show you guys some of my ideas that I have. And I also will kind of show you room by room like how I've decorated different rooms because I have gotten some comments of people saying they're excited about the house videos, which makes me excited because I'm honestly so pumped. And so I think that's what I'm gonna do, and then obviously at the end, once I feel like my house is kind of ready for a house tour, I will do an entire house tour and we can just show you guys everything and where I've honestly stored all the stuff that I just showed you. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any specific videos that you guys want me to film, even not house related, please leave them in the comments below so I can get some ideas. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.